Tired of stubborn grime on your patio? Scrubbing for hours gets you nowhere fast. Deck stains, driveway dirt, never seem to budge. Outdoor furniture looks dull and weathered. Traditional hoses just don't have enough power. Renting bulky equipment is inconvenient and expensive. Wasting weekends on endless cleaning chores? Wish there was an easier way to tackle outdoor mess? Meet the Dewalt 61147-S gas pressure washer. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Delivers a powerful 3300 PSI at 2.4 GPM. Engineered for premium residential cleaning. Dewalt 208cc engine starts easily every time. Low oil shutdown protects your investment. OEM Technology's axial cam pump ensures steady pressure. Welded steel frame adds rugged durability. Powder-coated finish resists corrosion and wear. 10-inch pneumatic tires glide over rough terrain. Compact design stores neatly between jobs. 5 quick-connect nozzles for every cleaning need. Switch between 0 gear, 15 gear, 25 gear, 40 gear, and soap settings. Ergonomic spray gun offers comfortable control. 16-inch steel wand reaches tough spots easily. 25-foot Moreflex hose resists kinks and abrasions. Clean patios, siding, driveways, fencing, furniture. Before, dirt and stains everywhere. After, surfaces shine like new, effortlessly. Before, hours spent on manual scrubbing. After, fast, thorough cleaning in minutes. Before, heavy, hard-to-move rental machines. After, lightweight, portable, easy to maneuver. Before, frustration and wasted time. After, satisfaction with every use. Imagine prepping your home for painting with ease. Enjoy spotless decks and sparkling driveways. Keep outdoor furniture looking fresh year-round. Ideal for homeowners, DIYers, property managers. Simple assembly, ready to use out of the box. Thermal relief valve prevents overheating. Factory tested for everyday reliability. 49 state compliant for peace of mind. Quickly dial in the perfect spray for any job. No more struggling with stubborn outdoor mess. No more wasted weekends on cleaning chores. No more renting or borrowing equipment. Just power, performance, and convenience. Upgrade your cleaning routine with Dewalt. Experience the difference of professional results at home. Built tough for years of reliable service. Store compactly when not in use. Move easily across any surface. Tackle every cleaning task with confidence. Why settle for less? Get the Dewalt 61147-S pressure washer today. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Transform your outdoor spaces in minutes. Ready for a cleaner, brighter home? Order now and make cleaning simple.